Luar Kapatisi TV. Ka undi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kautanat Pulit kala Pynkup Burom ki Ophisar Pulit. Kiba dan bentah ke Special Investigation Team belakri. Du Superintendent of Police City, Herbert Kharpangor, dan Tohkit Pynïap, halo ke Jingshah Pynïap jong Raja Raghuvanshi hasora, terhaduk bendiyok kem, ke sonam Raghuvanshi, bat de Kiba dan ketilang. Yakini ke Ophisar Pulit, la Pynkup Burom ke Jingshah, ke belalong ha Police Headquarter, hanang ba Shillong, hakarap kondrai cek unai lur arajar apusan, dok menterang ba ke jelau kondra ke sangma, ublalong kumukong san, Pingkat ka jinalang jong usumbut menterang ba ubakmi ni kataran kampo iye, ba Preston Tensong, ka Director General of Police ke Kong Ida Hisha Nongrang bat kiwe-kiwe kihe Pulit ke jelang.
UBS line, Everson Armor. As I follow running. Anthony D. Thompson.
This is Indian vaccine. This is 2% attack, C2B and triple.
एक हो गया बैरल वाला, एक हो गया बैरल नहीं वाला सर. तो इसको इसमें भी बैरल लगा सकते हैं सर, और लेकिन बैरल चेंज करना पड़ेगा. और इसका हो गया 20 राउंड सर.
20 rounds.
हाँ.
से 200 तक जा सकते हैं सर. और ये इंडिविजुअल है.
ये ओल्ड वर्जन वाला है सर, ये 10 वाला है, ये 20 वाला है.
ये भी सेम एनवीडिया सर, लेकिन ये बंदा
Which camera?
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Madan Kumar, working as an associate professor in Christian Medical College, Vellore, in Pediatric Respirology Department. My main treatment would be with pediatric lung disorders such as asthma, recurrent chest infection, and then recurrent cough. So the importance of this is, if you diagnose it first and if you treat it properly, long term the child will have a normal life. If you are not going to treat the child properly, what happens is the quality of life of the child decreases. That is manifested like not studying properly, not playing properly, and not behaving properly. So when we try to treat these things, the respiratory infections properly, most of the times they get better and have a good quality of life. So I am here to screen the children who have respiratory problem. I will be available in Dr. H. Gordon's Robert Hospital from October 1 to October 15 between 10 to 1 p.m. Thank you.